I'm most passionate about mobilizing attorneys. I hope that what I'm doing is making a difference.
Elisa Emo overall is an access to justice visionary. She's a community builder, she's a friend, and she is motivated to make sure that people all across Colorado have access to justice.
I first met Emo when she applied to serve as the executive director for the Colorado Access to Justice Commission. It was the first time we had had an executive director.
We weren't even a 501c3 yet, so my job was to turn us into a nonprofit, and then we really never looked back. We've been able to grow, we've been able to bring on staff and start programming and really spread our reach across Colorado and help people.
She has reshaped the commission in her 5 or so years that she's been the executive director. She also was key to the passage of House Bill 24-1286, which created the Colorado Equal Justice Authority. We worked really closely together on that, and but for her work, I don't know that we would have that new funding stream for legal aid in Colorado.
We are seeing more and more legal deserts in the state where there just are no lawyers. She personally understood that this is a problem and that we need to address this problem.
I am Mexican American. I grew up speaking Spanish, and I spent about a decade in Southwest Colorado working with immigrant communities. The first time I realized I needed a law degree was when there was an egregious situation where one of the main housing units in one of the communities, it was low-income housing, filled with mold. The building was condemned. So I was here battling with the owners of the building and trying to get security deposits back. I had a friend who owned a law firm, and he said, why don't you let us take this pro bono? They wrote one strongly worded letter, beautiful letter. The security deposit started rolling back in. That's when I realized when you can empower regular people, everyday people, with that knowledge of the law, you give them a very powerful tool.
Her heart is gold. She cares first and foremost about low-income folks around Colorado, about people of color, about making sure that everybody has access to justice in Colorado.
I had so many rich experiences here at Sturm College of Law. I connected with public interest students, law students, and we really shared a passion for lawyering for good, and I found my people here. Since graduating, I've learned so much about the legal community, about leading alongside incredible people. I never want to leave that role.
She's so early in her career. I imagine her in 20 years, 30 years, and the things I know she's going to be able to do with this law degree and her future in our profession are just so overwhelmingly exciting.
She is a phenomenal collaborator, partner, problem solver on some of the most difficult issues of access to justice in the state, and somebody I know I can always count on to help me navigate complex issues, navigate partnership dynamics, and know that she has her heart in the right place.
The need for access to justice work, it cannot be understated. I always want to work in partnership with other lawyers and create and innovate new things that help our profession help people.
Congratulations, Emo. So happy for you for this well-deserved honor and grateful for our work together and the road ahead.
Congratulations, Emo, on this well-deserved award. I just want you to know that I think of you as one of my mentors. I learn from you every time we interact. I think you are so exceptional, and I'm just thrilled that you are receiving this honor.
I'm so honored and humbled to receive this award, and I'm very grateful to Sturm College of Law for helping me find my way, find my footing, and to become the lawyer that I am today.